London edition. So first stop is fish and chips. Can't get any sleep on the flight. So dark circles. How are you feeling, Andrew? It's his first time in Europe. Here's the spread. What's the consensus on the calamari? Good. Did not devour. Beautiful in person. We're on our way to go watch a musical now. Yay! Dolores, we watched the movie in like elementary school and we know all the songs by heart, so it'll be exciting. Stop checking yourself out. It is currently so packed. Okay, post-musical, it was so good. 10,000 out of 10, standing ovation, completely deserved. And then just this like lighting and everything during like battle scenes was insane, and like the notes were so like everything was hit and everyone's voice was so good. I had like an obsession in second grade, and then like it's revived. Walking back now, and it's currently 11:30. Day one complete. I feel like it was a very successful day. Cheers. So stupidly expensive, because why is Paddington 51 but so cute? I'm taste testing tea and it's actually so good. The Big Ben has been spotted. We wanted to take pictures in front of this telephone booth for Dickens, but look at this line. Okay, on to the holiday market. See ya. Starting off the day with pastries, and we're gonna go on a tour today.
over to the right, you'll see the heel stone. So that's the stone on.
We're in Baths and it's so gorgeous, like Victorian. No, it's Gothic, but
Now, I'm not going to
I give my quill writing like a 2 out of 10. Actually, the lady came and she was super impressed with my calligraphy. Breakfast day 4. Andrew, what just happened? He thought they were free bookmarks and he got one that was actually not free. Hi vlog, we're at the tree where the apple fell on Newton and he discovered gravity. And he should go sit underneath because he needs to get smarter. Hi guys, last full day in London. Today we are gonna go to the museum and then Borough Market as well. Following my brother. We're seeing the most famous stone now. Currently at the Parthenon, and then I took a class last year and it was so stupid and it taught us everything about the Parthenon. So I know like the stupid like east frieze and like pediments and like different structures and whatnot. But it's really cool to see IRL. Like, oh. Okay gang, we are finally here. Thank you. Very worth. Stop too.
Okay, the fourth one.
My personal take is it's super juicy. Yummy. I enjoyed. I give it like an 8 out of 10. Andrew, what's your rating?
pretty good。在 Piccadilly 就反而比较不行。
It's very fresh, and it was only £10 worth it. Someone doesn't like Someone did not wear enough.
I'm going like this is kind of tough.
What dance are you hitting to warm up? Go. Currently walking on the bridge. We're on a random side quest and got a haircut. Slay. Going on our first double decker. Guys, this is the sleeping arrangement. There's only 2 double sides. This is our